So the trip begins. It is. It's about 10 o'clock. Friday, Labor Day long weekend. Picked up some pizza and leave in Calgary. Alright, so this is the voyage here. This is something Daniel and I have been talking about as Tigé boat owners for, as long as we've known each other, probably the better part of 10 years. And this is the route going from my home in Calgary, Alberta, with my 2006 Silverado Duramax and 2022 Tigé 21ZX down to the 20th anniversary Tigé Boat Owners Reunion at Lake Havasu Springs. As you can see, almost 2,400 kilometers. So this is the first segment of that journey. So stay tuned for the adventures of John and Daniel.
So here we are, we're at the Alberta Watercraft Inspection Station. It says mandatory, the lights are on, and nobody's home.
Nobody's here.
It's
We're here.
You see a fella. Is he the guy?
I don't know if he's the guy.
He could be the guy. 1:37 a.m.
Right.
And we just made it through the border. We had an interesting truck scan. Johnny got the radar, so we thought we were gonna get
big radar, yeah.
big radar.
I know
here.
radars, so we got scanned. It started flashing a red, klaxon, and it was not so good.
But hey, we're in America.
America.
Are we stopping for change riders? Let's stop at this.
You want to go over here?
Yeah, why not? Looks open.
Does it?
No, maybe
I
not.
don't think it's open, dude. We're now going into Sweetgrass.
It's 3:30 in the morning. Just getting in at Great Falls, Montana. Pretty smooth drive, other than some fog and the skunk.
Oh yeah, we almost killed a skunk.
I'm pretty sure you hit the skunk. We just got lucky and didn't get sprayed.
We didn't really look at the trailer. He might be under there.
Yeah, we're here. We're safe. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I don't know, 10 a.m. Johnny's already out here playing with his tire pressures. I think he plays with his tire pressures more than he plays with his own willy. Currently still in the parking lot. Johnny decided to fuck with some tire pressures, like I said before.
Yes.
We made 0.0 miles today and I've had an issue. But it's beautiful out. Johnny's doing the roll of shame. Back to his truck. Don't fuck with the tires.
All right, we're leaving Grand Falls. We got the goods.
You're filming the wrong way already.
Some of the other goods.
You gave me shit.
Okay, I'll switch.
Our McDonald's in hand. Hitting the open road. Here we go. Just filled up in Butte, Montana. We put 175 liters into the truck.
Dollars.
Oh, $175.
Actually, yeah. Almost works out to that many
47
liters.
gallons. I don't know.
Number of liters is dollars.
We're not mathing.
It's $1 a liter here.
Yeah, is it?
American dollar.
America. Anyways, we're switching drivers. Butte. Everything's going smooth.
I haven't blown anything up in the past 2 hours.
Johnny hasn't touched any more tires, so we're good.
Good. I checked
We're
the
good.
temperatures remotely and it worked.
He's invested.
Go ahead. I don't know what to say. We were driving a long time.
It's been a distance here. We've put a long haul in.
Are we in Utah yet?
I'm pretty sure we're in Utah. Isn't Pocatello in Utah?
I don't know.
Is Pocatello in Utah? I don't know.
I thought we were still in Idaho. We're only under 2 hours from Salt Lake, so we gotta be in Utah, I would think.
We're not far from Salt Lake City.
The truck has a sweet smell to it. I'm not sure what that is.
It's starting to smell. Pulled over at a rest stop because somebody had to pee. Met this weird dudes, gold miners, heading to Nevada to go gold mining.
Is that what they were doing?
That's what they were doing.
Really?
Yeah.
Their RV.
In their RV.
Okay.
I had some pretty sick cowboy boots.
He came out of his trailer and he had like a tray of like raw ground beef. I'm like, are you making
it's summer. Like, what are you doing? And then they just took off.
So they were interesting.
Yeah.
Road's been good. We've been smooth sailing. Putting on probably you've been averaging about 120.
Yeah. We're about 1,250 kilometers so far.
Just today.
Well, yeah, I guess since last night.
Yeah.
Since Calgary, basically. So.
I can't wait for a little boat.
We got a tri-tip waiting for us.
Ooh, some tri-tip. I could eat some meat.
Hour 49
We got
minutes.
hour 49 minutes till we put Mike's meat in our mouths.
Yes. Looking forward to
This motherfucker better have some comfy beds for us.
I don't know that he does. He said he has a Murphy bed and an air mattress.
Lovely.
I don't know what a Murphy bed is.
It's one of those ones that come down from the wall.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think that's what he said.
Oh, there's a Tesla truck.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Cybertruck.
I don't like when they're gray. I like when they have a color to them.
Yeah. Like a wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Agreed.
We just be chilling.
Yeah. I'm ready to be done for today.
You want me to take over?
I just mean I want to be there.
Oh, yeah. Ready to drink.
Yeah. All right.
Let's get some American booze in us. Just, a casual Saturday night, 8:45, and going through Salt Lake City.
Nothing going on.
Nothing happening here. This city is dead. It's moving fast here.
So we finally made it. Here we are at Mike's house, pulled in, unpacking, and definitely got some of his garage beer into us. And I couldn't shake the feeling this place reminded me of somewhere. Not really sure. Nonetheless, we slept the night, and I'm sure tomorrow's going to be another wonderful day.
It's Sunday morning, I think. Is it Sunday?
Yeah, it's Sunday.
It's Sunday. It feels like a Saturday. This view in Salt Lake City is just remarkable. I wish I could flip it. Fancy yellow
I've never seen
flasher.
a flashing yellow light turn.
America.
I like it though. Makes sense. You can turn it and say
Yes. Is Christ?
Here?
This Mormon town?
What?
What?
Is it Sunday?
Wow.
We should maybe.
No. I subscribe to the Church of Tigé Boats, and that's what we're doing. Hashtag Tigé Boats, baby! It's a lifestyle. It's a religion.
Have a sewer die. Oh look, we got another flashing yellow.
Woo! Thing is all yellow.
This is a very nice town. I feel like I don't belong here.
Well, I'm sure there's nice areas and there's shit areas, just like any other town. We just happen to be in the nice
I feel
area.
like Draper might well be nice.
Yeah.
Bump. There's bump here.
We don't got the boat, so you're good.
So Daniel is very excited about going to Trader Joe's.
So we're going to Trader Joe's.
I'm recording you, recording me.
I'm super pumped. It's
Beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day, and we're going to a grocery store that I'm excited for.
Maybe they'll have some spicy pepper.
We're gonna pick, that's what we're looking for.
All
We're
right.
looking for the spices for Havasu.
Giddy up. And after leaving Trader Joe's, horribly disappointed and with some contempt and confusion around why anyone would ever go there, we went back to Mike's house and picked up the boat. We're going to make something of this day before we leave town, so let's go do it.
Okay, Heffy, this might be your toughest test of the whole fucking trip.
Heffy's got it.
30 minutes of this noise. Well, looks like there's a pass
America, baby. Just pulling up to Lake Jorganelle. Looks like we're in hoity-toity area.
Everything hoity-toity out here. This lake is evaporated a bunch, you can tell. It's run down, not evaporated.
Pumped out to California, probably.
Yeah,
Fucking Californians.
goddamn bastards. We're gonna go through California.
Yep. Well, we don't have to.
Rumor has it. There's a few boats out here.
There's a few boats.
There's like 5 altogether. There looks like plenty of room you can find.
Oh yeah, we got lots of room.
This is the staging lane for Jordanelle Reservoir. This is the parking lot for trucks. I've never seen a launching operation like this. They have people standing there organizing it. It's 6 lanes wide. There's 2 load lanes. There's 2 prep lanes before this. And then you launch down into this chaos down here. Geesh, pretty deep here. You running? You're good.
Cracking the first beers of America on the boat. It's quite the operation here at the boat launch.
Oh, that's good.
5 ramps.
Thanks for the free beers, Mike.
Thanks for the free beers.
We raided his fridge before we came.
I already told him.
It was like the.
Oh, it was the apocalypse.
It was like going to a liquor store.
Pull whatever you want out.
They had Pocari Sweat. Yeah, look it up.
Look it up, he says. We're at the Lake Jorgensen, Jorganelle, whatever. I told you. It's just what it is. So we're finishing up here for the day. The sun dropped and it got quite cool. Johnny wishes he brought a sweater again. It was a beautiful day out here, but man, the chop, the amount of boats out here was incredible. It was choppy. I think everybody had fun. Had some good fun. Nancy got up. She had the best gains of the day. That's for sure. Mike was kind of subpar. And I'll take a win for Woody today.
He didn't want it.
So that's a wrap from the first part of our journey. Had a real great day on the water with Mike and his family. Even though it was a bit choppy, we did get some good runs in. Had a really good time. And it was nice to get Alex on the boat for the first time. So there we are. We had fun. Now it's time to set off on the next part of our journey, which is time for Las Vegas.